This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Rick Boswell. Hardwood floors, huge kitchen, gas fireplace and living room. Large bedrooms, separate laundry room and 2-car garage. Water and sewer included, close to amenities, schools, shopping and I-81. Heat pump with air conditioner, efficient water heater. Plenty of storage. Rent an entire house in Falling Waters without being cramped at a price you can't refuse. Application online at https://apply.link/3regime. For more information, review the details below or contact Rick Boswell at 304-263-2121.